See, one doubts class from Saturday, somebody asked to some doubts in the logarithms like root p plus root q is an irrational number. Root p plus root q is an irrational number. At the same time, where p and q are prime numbers. P and q are prime numbers like that. See, at the same time, root like that is root p plus root q are irrational numbers. For example, see root p plus root q are rational numbers. Let us take root p plus root q are a rational number, and p and q are distinct prime numbers. Distinct primes. What is meaning of distinct primes? Dissimilar. Root 2, 3, 5, that like that may be. At the same time, that is, let us take therefore root p plus root q is equal to k. Here where k is rational number. K is rational number. At the same time, squaring on both sides. What is meaning? S means square, O means half, B means both sides. Then squaring on both sides means therefore root p plus root q whole square is equal to k square. Therefore a plus b whole square. Means a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2 into root b into root q. Root p whole square means p plus root q whole square means q plus 2ab, 2 into root a into root b is equal to root ab. And the same, that is equal to k square. Therefore, what do you want? Therefore, see 2 root pq is equal to p plus q. Transfer to right side. Therefore, already k is there. P minus q. At the same time, like therefore root pq is equal to therefore k square minus p minus q divided by 2. Now this is the rational number. Rational number is equal to rational number. Therefore, for example, that is similarly, therefore k square minus p minus q by 2 is a rational number. Like this. C is a rational number. Therefore, k square minus p minus q divided by 2 is a rational number. Why? Because rational number is equal to rational number. See, therefore k square minus p minus q divided by root 2 is a rational number. At the same time, see now, but the p and q are both primes. P and q are both primes. Yes or no? P and q are both primes. At the same time, the product of p and q. Product of p and q means therefore pq is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square. Like that, therefore p and q are both primes. The product of p and q are is not a perfect square. At the same time, root pq is not a square number. Root pq is not a square number also. At the same time, root pq is not a rational number. Why? Because, for example, you take C. Root p, root q. Therefore, p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3. Therefore, p into q is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. At the same time, root 6 is equal to is not a square number. Also, the product of what is the result of like 6? 6 is not a square number. For example, you take 9. 9 is a square number. You take 4. 4 is a square number. Therefore, 16, 25, that like. And here is the 6 not a square number. Therefore, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. 2 is a 3 number. For example, you take 3, 5. What is 3, 5, 15? Root 15 is equal to this. This is not a perfect square. This is not a perfect square. Like, therefore, by contract, it means by contract, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. By contract, our assumption is wrong. So our root p plus root q is irrational number. Root p plus root q is a irrational number. Why? Because therefore p and q are distant primes. P and q are distant primes. Like that. See, evaluate. What is the evaluate? Evaluate is find. So you should compute. Therefore, this is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. What is the meaning of improper fraction? Therefore, compared to numerator, denominator is small. Compared to numerator, denominator is small is called improper fraction. The mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. What is 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 divided by 4 whole square. What is this is therefore a by b whole square is equal to a square divided by b square. The square effect on numerator and denominator. That means therefore a square by b square. That like what is therefore 5 square divided by 4 square. That means 25 divided by 16. 25 divided by 16. 25 divided by 16. What is 25 divided by 16? Here is the denominator in the form of C. The denominator in the form of therefore 25 divided by 2, 16 means 2 power 4. 2 power 4. That like a power m. That means C. This is terminating. Why? Because the denominator in the form of 2 power m. What is the denominator? Therefore, denominator portion is 2 power m over 5 power n over both combination, the product of both divided by 1. Therefore, anything, not 1, anything by 2 power m into 5 power n. 2 power m into 5 power n. The fraction is terminating. Already well known to you. See, this is like therefore, for example, go to the division method, long division method. 16, 25, 16 ones are 16, 9. See, 0.0. 16 5s are 80, 10, 0. Therefore, 16 6s are 96, 4, 0. Therefore, 16 2s 32, 8, 0. Therefore, 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. What is remainder? Therefore, what is C? This is 1.5625. What is this? Is 20 divided by 25 divided by 16. The 20 divided by 16 means in the decimal form 1.5625. 1.5625. See, anyways, try this. Write the following rationals in exponential form and find the value of the respective variables. First of all are logarithmic form. you transfer to, you changes to exponential form, and at the same time find the value of respective variables. Here is x, here is y, here is z, here is that. See, like for example, you take write the following rational in exponential form. First of all, you take first one, therefore exponential form. This is logarithmic form. Therefore log 32 base 2 is equal to x. 32 base 2 is equal to x. In the x, this is logarithmic form. What is the exponential form? Therefore 32 is equal to 2 4x. 32 is equal to 2 4x. Here is 32 is equal to 2 4x. See, here is base is 2, here is the number 32. The 32 in the form of base 2. You can possible or not. For example, see here, like right, you find the prime factorization of 32. The prime factorization of 32. Like this, see 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means, see, 2 power 4 means 16. 16 2s are 32. Therefore 2 power 5, that is equal to 2 power x. Bases are equal, powers are equal. Therefore x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. At the same time, you take second, go to the second, like, see, what is second? For example, take second, therefore log 625 base 5 is equal to y. Log 625 base 5 is equal to y. Therefore 625 is, this is the logarithmic form. The logarithmic form changes into exponential form. Therefore 625 is equal to 5 power y. 5 power y. That means, see, what is 5 power y? Therefore 625 means 25 into 25. 25 into 25. That means 25 into 25 is equal to 5 power y. 5 power y. At the same time, like this, 5 power y. What is the 5 power y? For 25 means 5 square into another 25 means 5 square. That is equal to 5 power y. 5 power y. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Therefore, that means 5 power 2 plus 2, that is equal to 5 power y. Therefore 5 power 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 5 power y. Therefore again bases are equal, powers are equal. Therefore 4 is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Like this. Next, at the same time, third problem. What is the third here? 1000 base 10 is equal to z. 1000 base 10 is equal to z. Here means 1000 base 10 is equal to z. And therefore 1000 is equal to 10 power z. This is logarithmic form, this is exponential form. Here means the relation the exponential form and find the values of respective variables. What is the respective variable? Means z. Therefore 1000 means 10 cubed, therefore 10 power z. Bases are equal, powers are equal. Bases are equal, powers are equal. Z is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3. At the same time 4. What is the 4 here? Is 4. Therefore log 1 by 343, 343 base 7 is equal to some b or ia. For example, at the same time, see, 1 by 343 is equal to 7 power a. This is logarithmic form, this is exponential form. See, therefore 1 divided by therefore 1 divided by 3 power 4 means 7 cubed. 3 power 4 means 7 cubed. Therefore 7 cubed is equal to 7 power a. Therefore what is here? Therefore what is this? Therefore 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. A power minus n. A power minus n. 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. According to this formula, see, therefore 7 power minus 3. The denominator changes into numerator. The power before sign will be changing. What is power 3? Before sign, what is 3? Here is plus. The denominator position changes into numerator position. that their sign will be changed. Therefore 7 power minus 3 is equal to 7 power a. Again base are equal, powers are equal, therefore minus 3 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. This is. See, find the value of log or root c base c. Root c base c. Like this, find the value of log root c base c. Log root c base c. Find the value. For example, see root 3. What is the root 3? Root 3 is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. Therefore, root 5, that is equal to 5 power 1 by 2. Root x is equal to x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2. That means, see, for example, see, cube root 5 is equal to 5 power 1 by 3. Like that. This means log what is root c? Root c means to c power 1 by 2 base c. C power 1 by 2 base c. What is what is the formula? Log x power n base a is equal to log x power n base a is equal to the power n coming before log. Therefore, n into log x base c. N into log x base a. This is formula. Power of the power formula. Like according to this formula, therefore log, therefore 1 by 2 coming to before log 1 by 2 into log c base c. What is meaning of log c base c? Already well known to you. Log x base x is equal to 1. Therefore log y base y is equal to 1. Like base c. Therefore log a base a is equal to 1, like that. Therefore log c by c is equal to 1. Therefore already 1 by 2 is there. Log c by c is equal to 1. That means 1 by 2. This is find the value of log root c base c. Root c base c is equal to 1 by 2. Root c base c is equal to 1 by 2. Like that. Think and discuss. Somebody asked this formula. Sorry, this sum. We can write the log x by y. X by y, therefore log x by y is equal to log x into y inverse. You can prove that the log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y using the product and power formula. Using the product power. First of all, log, see, log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base c. This is formula. This is coefficient formula. Coefficient formula. What is log x by y is x by y base a is equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y, at the same time log x base a minus log y base a. See here. Then let us take. Therefore m is equal to log x base a. Therefore m is equal to log y base a. Log y base a. At the same here, see, this is the logarithmic form, convert into exponential form. Therefore a power m is equal to x. Therefore a power m is equal to y. The logarithmic form changes into exponential form. At the same time, logarithmic form changes into exponential form, like that. See, therefore x is equal to a power m. Therefore y is equal to a power m. Y is equal to a power m. What is the formula? Coefficient formula. See, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Therefore 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That means equation number 1 divided by equation number 2 is equal to, what is the equation number 1? Therefore a power x by y. X by y is equal to a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n. Therefore x by y is equal to, already well known, see, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. A power m minus n. A power m minus n. Take log on both sides. 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 See here, Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. See, take log on both sides. Therefore, log x by y base a is equal to log a power m minus n base a. A power m minus n base a, like see log x by y base a is equal to x by y base a is equal to see log m minus n a power m minus n base a. Therefore, already this formula well known to you, like that. See here, what is this? Log x power n base a is equal to n into log x base a. N into log x base a. N into log x base a. According to this formula, this is the power m minus n before log, come to before log, m minus n log a base a. What is log a base a? 1. That means m minus n into 1, that means m minus n. What is the log x by y base a? X by y base a. That means what is m value? Already well known to you. What is m value? Here is m value. What is n value? This is n value. What is m? Therefore log x base a minus log a. What is n value? Log y base a. Log y base a. This is coefficient. What is asking here is you can write log x base x by y is equal to log x into y inverse s. We can write. Why? Because see, right, therefore log x by y is equal to log, here is x. What is x by y? X into y by y. Yes or no? X into y by y, 1 by y. That means log x. Here 1 by y. 1 by y means already here, see, 1 by y. What is 1 by y? Like, see, 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. At the same time, 1 by x is equal to x inverse. Therefore, 1 by y is equal to y inverse. Like that, 1 by y means y power 1. Y power 1. The denominator changes into numerator before sign will be changing. Power before sign will be changed. So, power before sign will be changed. Therefore, x into y power minus 1. This is product. Yes, sir. Here is therefore log AB is equal to log A plus log B. S means log A plus log B, y inverse. Again, log X plus. What is the formula? X power n base A is equal to n into log y by y by. Here means therefore log x power n base A is equal to n into log x base A. According to this formula, therefore minus 1 into log y, minus 1 into log y, at the same time log x, plus into minus log y, like this. Product formula. Therefore product and power rule. Product and power rule. This is product and power rule, like that. Remaining, no. One more is this, like. Here this, do this logarithmic form of, this is exponential form, convert into logarithmic form, See here means therefore 1 by 257, 1 by 257 is equal to 4 power A. See 1 by 57, the denominator portion convert into numerator portion. What is therefore 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. This is denominator convert into denominator convert into numerator. This is like, at the same time 257 power 1 is equal to 4 power a. Now changes into logarithmic form. Therefore a is equal to log 257 power 1 base 4. 257 base 4. That like see, therefore that means minus 1 into log 257 base 4 base 4 at the same time minus log 257 base 4 257 base 4 a here, therefore a is equal to one more answer is given, see, almost is there once, therefore see 1 by 257 is equal to 4 power a at the same time a is equal to log 1 by 257 base a. This is the one answer, this is the second answer, like this.